It's beautiful outside here in the garden, but you can imagine what that brings. Allergies. Our Manic Managed mom, Rachel Harris, is here with ways that we can, and things that we can do at home to kind of keep those allergies at bay.
Yeah, this is really wellness stuff from head to toe that I share on my blog, managemoms.com, that's been working in our home. So when I find something that works, I cannot wait to share it here with you guys and with our viewers. So first of all, we did two things because we had allergies pretty bad. We did a really giant thing, which I brought a picture of, and that is
before and after.
Yes. And you can look at the picture and see we ripped out the carpets on the entire upstairs and all the steps. And the downstairs is tile. And it was interesting because we hired the guys from Excalibur Hardwood Floors, and when they were yanking out that carpet, they were sneezing up a storm.
So did it work when they ripped it out?
Yes, it's so much better. It's really so much better. You think about it, you know, we have cats. So the pet dander and the dust, all that stuff gets trapped in the carpet. I really can't believe the difference. And it just feels cleaner. So yeah, I definitely recommend that.
That's a great tip. Let's talk about this apple cider vinegar, because Bragg's, I have it, I love it, I'm a firm believer, but I've never seen the honey already in it.
Yeah, I was so happy to find out about this. A friend of mine, Karen Hall, our show's makeup artist, who I love everything she does, she's super healthy. I had allergies really bad. She said, get the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. I went over to Sprouts and found it with the honey blend, because she said add honey.
Yeah, you need honey in it.
Yeah, I said, check it out. Over at Sprouts, it has the honey blend. So I'm going to make you a little apple cider vinegar. Do you have allergies, Susie?
I do. So how does this help my allergies?
Okay, so we pour a little in, which I actually did earlier. I forgot I did that. It is the apple cider vinegar it's the alkaline, I think, that helps with the allergies, and it's also using the honey, because, you know, you've heard them say if you add honey, especially local honey, to your food,
and your dry ice cubes for me.
There you go, you got a little cocktail. But you've heard that about the honey, right?
Mm-hmm.
That the honey naturally helps to fight allergies.
Mm.
What do you think?
I like it.
I think it's good too. I think it tastes like apple juice.
Yeah, I really like it. Now I'm loving this idea, Rachel, because Blue Apron, we've talked about it before, it's an online, they send you 3 meals a week, and everything's included, but this is local.
Yeah, so I love services like Blue Apron, and when I found out about this, I couldn't wait to share it with you guys. Sunny Zona Family Farms is local, and they have what they call their meal kits. And so what happens is it's not shipped directly to your home. I think they're working on that, but there's a whole bunch of different pickup areas in the valley. I go to Pomegranate Cafe every Tuesday and get my box. Check this out. You get stuff. You get recipe, instructions, all the food. Isn't this beautiful? Yeah, and it's all from the farm, so you know you're getting whole foods. And this is all plant-based foods as well. And the step-by-step on how to make the instructions. Now, I brought some pictures of some of the finished meals since I can't cook today on the show. So if you take a look at the pictures, one of them is nachos, and it actually used eggplant.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah,
and they sent you the recipe for it.
They sent me the recipe. And the other one my family loved, minestrone soup and salad. So you could see what it looks like when it's all prepared.
So it's always veggies.
Yeah, it's plant-based recipes.
Plant-based.
Exactly. The boxes are $22, or you can get a subscription. I swear by it, and I just love that it's local. I
love that idea. That's a great find. Thank you so much. And Rachel's going to be back with more kind of in-home remedies, at-home remedies. And if you want to learn more information about Rachel and everything we just talked about, just head to our website, easyfamily.com/your